keys are used alone or in combination to perform tasks? The correct answer is function keys. Which tool is used to increase or decrease object size? The correct answer is zoom. Which monitor consumes the least power? The correct answer is LED. What is the full form of LED? The correct answer is light emitting diode. Which tool is used to crop an image? The correct answer is crop tool. Information displayed on monitor is called. The correct answer is soft copy. Which program manages all jobs of computer? The correct answer is OS. How to arrange icons on desktop? The correct answer is right-click on blank area. Shortcut key to create new document. The correct answer is Ctrl+N. Which is an example of operating system? The correct answer is Linux. Which key closes current document? The correct answer is Ctrl+W. Which unit controls working of all parts of computer? The correct answer is CU. Shortcut key to create new folder. The correct answer is Ctrl+Shift+N. Who is the father of computer? The correct answer is Charles Babbage. URL stands for. The correct answer is Uniform Resource Locator. Most common way of virus transfer. The correct answer is email. Which device is used for typing and editing? The correct answer is keyboard. Which option is used to create a new blank document? The correct answer is new. Which part of CPU performs all calculations? The correct answer is ALU. Which device is used to play games? The correct answer is joystick. Which unit stores data and instructions? The correct answer is memory unit. Small pictures on desktop are called. The correct answer is icons. Which is an example of antivirus software? The correct answer is McAfee. Which is a popular payment gateway? The correct answer is PayPal. Which software helps to access information on the web? The correct answer is web browser.